Do you need a quick, easy, and delicious dish for your next brunch? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making a broccoli and cheddar quiche. Very easy item to make. Great for brunches, can be prepped ahead of time, so really great item. Let's jump right in and we'll talk about our ingredients. Over here I have 2 pounds of broccoli, which we will talk about very briefly. For broccoli, you can do one of two things. If you want really quick and easy, you can buy frozen broccoli, defrost it in the refrigerator overnight. Once it's defrosted, cut it up into smaller pieces, and then you have to just rinse it off and squeeze out the water. Very important that you squeeze out the water because otherwise your quiche will be watery. So that's the easy way. If you want to use fresh broccoli, you can do that. What you have to do is cut it up into small pieces, blanch it off in salted water. The water should be salty like the sea, so it should be heavily salted water. You want to cook it al dente, cool it down or shock it in a water bath, and then squeeze out the water. So for the broccoli, you can do either one of those. I have 18 ounces of sharp cheddar. I have 3 cups of whole milk. I have 14 eggs, large, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I may be adjusting the seasonings because I'm not sure exactly as far as the seasonings go. Anyway, so let's jump right in. As far as what we're going to do, as far as the method, we're going to put just a little bit of our milk, just a small amount, and we're going to add our garlic. And what this is going to do is it's going to puree the garlic very finely. Once this is pureed, the rest, actually let's add our eggs first. And also we're going to add our seasoning. Once that's mixed, you don't want to mix this too much. You just want to puree it for a couple seconds. You're not trying to whip the eggs. Now we'll add the rest of our milk. What we're going to do with our broccoli and cheddar. So I have a 9x13 pan, and what we're going to do is we're just going to give this a nice toss. We're going to pour it into our pan. This over here, eggs and milk together, is called a royale. You'll notice that this is quite full, so when you eat it, it's going to have like a really nice broccoli and cheddar flavor. Now we're just going to pour this over. If you want, you can just take a fork and just make sure it's all submerged. And then we're going to put this in a 275-degree oven. I'll see you shortly. Our quiche was in the oven for right about an hour and a half, hour and 25 minutes. And I want to show you what it looks like before I cut it. And I'm going to cut it and put it on a plate, and I'll be back in a minute. Now comes the best part. Get to try some. You can tell it's really cheesy. Really good. Taste the cheddar cheese, you get the broccoli, get a little bit of garlic, has a perfect amount of salt, perfect amount of pepper. Really nice dish. You will love this for your next brunch if you make this. You can prep everything the day before, meaning you can have your broccoli all cut up and squeezed. You can have your cheese shredded, have your royale made, and then you wake up on Sunday morning or Saturday morning, whenever your brunch is, mix everything together, throw it in the oven, and then go shower and get ready. And when you come out of your shower, you have a beautiful quiche ready. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Be safe, everyone. Be well. Bye-bye.
Bye.